Good morning everyone. Welcome back all of you in class 7 science online classes. So students, as you know that we have started chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So today we are going to take a topic, the tropical regions. The tropical regions, today we have to take the topic or the tropical rainforest. So first we will go through the textbook. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 50 degrees Celsius. During hot summer, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is the tropical rainforest. So students, the areas which lie close to the equator are called tropical regions. They extend between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south. The tropical regions have hot, humid climate and the abundant rainfall throughout the year. They have sunlight for at least 12 hours, that is days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. The tropical regions have dense tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, South America, Central Africa and many islands of Pacific Ocean. So students, the region get plenty of rainfall. So an important feature of this region is the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforests are home to half of all the living plants and animals on the earth. The major types of animals living in the tropical rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephant, leopard, lizard, snakes, birds and insects. Since a large number of animals live in these forests, there is an intense competition for food and shelter. So now study the adaptations of some animals living in hot and humid climate of tropical rainforest. Since the number are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. So many animals are adapted to living on the trees. Red-eyed frog, that is given in figure 7.7, has developed the sticky pads on its feet to help it climb the tree on which it lives. To help them live on the trees, monkeys, that is given in figure 7.8, have long tails for grasping the branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. So adaptation, we will talk about the adaptation of element also, adaptation of in big cats also, adaptation in red-eyed frog. As we know that red-eyed frog has big and bright red eyes. So it is called red-eyed frog and it has sticky pads on its feet which help it to climb easily on the tree trunk on which it lives. As there is a competition for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. A striking example is that of the bird toucan, which possesses a long, large beak. This helps to toucan to reach the fruits on the branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. So toucan has a long, colorful beak which measures more than half the length of its body. The long beak helps in toucan to reach the fruits on such branches which are too weak to support its weight or the weight of any other animal. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and camouflage by blending with the surrounding. This is protect them from predators. For example, big cats, lions and tigers have thick skin, sensitive hearing. So the wild animal such as lions, tigers and leopards are called big cats. The various adaptation in big cats which help them live and survive in tropical rainforest are like the big cats, lion and tigers eat only the meat or flesh of other animals. They have highly developed sense of smell which helps them locate their prey, and the yellow brown color of the lion and the yellow brown color with black stripes of tiger help them camouflage by blending with the surrounding. It protects them from their predators and it also helps them in catching their prey. The big cats have sharp eyesight to locate their prey from distance. The big cats can run very fast which help them catch their prey, and the big cats have long, strong and sharp claws in their front legs to catch their prey. The lion-tailed macaque, also called beard ape, lives in the rainforest of Western Ghat, that is given in figure 7.10. Its most outstanding feature is the silver white mane, which surround the head from the cheeks down to its chin. It is a good climber and spends a major part of its life on the tree. It feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers and buds. This beard ape also searches for insects under the bark of the trees. Since it is able to get sufficient food on trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. So the monkeys are well adapted to live on the trees in tropical rainforest. So now we are talking about the adaptations in lion-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaque has a silver white mane which surround the head from cheeks down to its chin. This gives the monkey its German name, that is beard ape. The tail is medium, approximate 25 cm, and has a black tuft at the end similar to the lion's tail. It feeds mainly on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers and buds, and it also eats insects found under the bark of the tree. So it is able to get the sufficient food on the trees and it rarely comes down on the ground. So it spends the major part of its life on the tree. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant, that is given in figure 7.11. It has adapted to the condition of rainforest in many remarkable ways. Look at its trunk. It uses it as a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. These can tear the bark of tree that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ear of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sound. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So what about the adaptations of animal? An elephant is a very large animal of Indian tropical rainforest. It can live and survive in the tropical rainforest due to many adaptations, like the trunk of an elephant is basically an elongated nose. The trunk helps the elephant in many ways. The elephant has a strong sense of smell because it uses its trunk as a nose. The elephant uses its long trunk to pick up food like grasses and leaves and put it into its mouth. The elephant uses its trunk for drinking water by sucking up water and putting it into the mouth. An elephant has a big and long pointed teeth called tusks. Tusks are the modified teeth of the elephant. It uses the tusks to tear off the bark of tree which it eats as food. It also uses for fighting with enemies and protecting itself. And the elephant has large ears. The elephant can hear even the lowest sound made by its predators, so it can sense the danger and run away for safety. When the temperature rises, the elephant flap their large ears and use them as a fans to cool themselves in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So students, this is all about the tropical rainforest and the animals that are living in the tropical rainforest and their adaptation. So students, with this topic we have completed this chapter. So thank you everyone.